How to use Starbrite Ultimate Aluminum Cleaner and Polish. As aluminum ages, it oxidizes unevenly, leaving unsightly patches and streaks that are nearly impossible to clean without the most dangerous acid cleaners. Do not use products containing hydrofluoric or other dangerous acids. No aluminum is worth losing your skin or eyesight. Starbrite Ultimate Aluminum Cleaner and Restore is the newest and safest way to restore a bright and shiny finish to oxidized aluminum. Because aluminum oxidizes unevenly, heavily crusted areas are more resistant to cleaning than lighter areas, so follow these steps for best results. Failure to follow instruction will result in an uneven, streaked, or patchy finish. Before you begin, you will need acid-resistant gloves, eye protection, Starbrite Ultimate Aluminum Cleaner and Restore, a Starbrite Medium Scrubber Pad, the red one, Starbrite Ultimate Aluminum Polish, several clean polishing cloths, and a hose with fresh water for rinsing. Step 1. To avoid creating drip marks, start at the bottom of the area to be cleaned and work upward in small sections at a time. Generously apply Starbrite Ultimate Aluminum Cleaner and Restore to the surface in smooth, even strokes. The cleaner will foam when it contacts oxidation, which indicates it is working. Step 2. Use a Starbrite Medium Red Scrub Pad to spread the cleaner to ensure uniform coverage. Then scrub evenly with steady pressure to allow the cleaner to penetrate into the heavier oxidized areas. Step 3. Rinse the cleaned surface thoroughly with fresh water. Be sure to rinse the surfaces below as well. Do not allow cleaner to dry on any surface. Repeat these steps as needed until clean. Next, we restore the luster and shine with Starbrite Ultimate Aluminum Polish. Allow the cleaned surface to dry. Starbrite Aluminum Polish will neutralize any remaining acids and seal the aluminum with a protective coating and a more uniform shine. Apply evenly with a clean, dry cloth, working in small areas in a circular, overlapping motion to ensure uniform coverage. Rub it in well. The polish works while wet, so reapply to the cloth as needed. Starbrite Aluminum Polish may be applied by hand or with a buffer. Discoloration on the cloth indicates oxidation is being removed. Replace the cloth as often as needed to avoid rubbing oxidation back onto the clean surface. Once the polish dries to a haze, buff the treated area with a clean, soft, dry cloth. Replace the cloth as needed. Chalky, oxidized surfaces may require repeat applications. Apply Starbrite Ultimate Aluminum Polish annually to reduce oxidation buildup for a lasting shine with minimal effort. Clean, restore, protect. Starbrite. For more Starbrite products, visit starbrite.com and like us on Facebook.